Hi guys, this is Tabish. If you are looking at your portfolio today, I know it hurts. We have officially dropped 30% from our all-time high of $126,000. We are sitting at $82,000 and the fear in the market is extreme. This is officially Bitcoin's worst monthly performance since the collapse of 2022. The bears are in control and the retail panic is setting in. But the question is the bull run actually over or is this the final shakeout before we go higher? Today I am going to show you the data that the whales don't want you to see. First, let's talk about why this is happening. It is not just retail selling, it's the institutions. We just saw a record $1.9 billion in outflows from the spot Bitcoins ETFs. This is the smart money de risking. For months, these ETFs were buying everything in sight. Now they are dumping. When you have nearly $2 billion leaving the market in a single week, there is no support level that can hold that kind of selling pressure. The institution build has temporarily dried up. But it's not just crypto. We have to look at the macro. The tech stock market is bleeding, and fears of an AI bubble bursting are spilling over into crypto. Remember, Bitcoin is still treated as a risk asset. When tech stocks crash, crypto crashes harder. On top of that, the market is getting nervous about the Federal Reserve. We were expecting aggressive rate cuts in December, but with inflation sticky, those hopes are fading. If rates stay high, cash stays expensive, and that is poison for assets like Bitcoin. Now I want to talk about the one bright spot in this darkness, Solana. While Bitcoin is bleeding, look at what is happening with the Solana ETFs. They actually saw $58 million in inflows this week. Think about that. The market is crashing, yet institutions are buying Solana. This is a massive bullish divergence. It tells me that the smart money sees Solana as a long term blue chip, regardless of what Bitcoin does in the short term. If you are a Solana holder, this is the validation you have been waiting for. Now let's go to the technicals. I need you to pay attention to these numbers. We have lost the $90,000 support. That is now a major resistance. As long as we are below 90k, the bears are in charge. We are currently fighting to hold 82,000. The absolute line in the sand is $80,000. If we are to break 80k on the daily close, the next stop is $76,000. That is where the liquidity is sitting. However, if we can reclaim 88,000, we might see a squeak back to the upside. So, what is my strategy now? I am sitting on my hands. I am not catching a falling knife. I want to see us stabilize above 80,000 before I deploy more capital. But let me know in the comments, are you panic selling here or are you buying the blood? This is Tabish signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe to survive this bear market. I will see you in the next one.